Bullish algo value expectation is $0.4578 to $1.4060. Algorand, ALGO, cost could likewise reach $3 soon. Bearish algo cost expectation for 2022 is $0.2724. In Algorand, ALGO, cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, Rival, and other data about Algo to examine the future development of the cryptographic money. Algorand, ALGO, current market status. Cost of Algorand, ALGO, is $0.338005 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $256,161,615 at the hour of composing. In any case, Algo has expanded by almost 8.1% as of now. Besides, Algorand, ALGO, has a flowing stock of 6,927,212,692 Algo. As of now, Algorand, ALGO, exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, KuCoin, Upbit, OKX and FTX. What is Algorand, ALGO? Algorand, ALGO, is the local digital money of the Algorand biological system. Algorand is an open-source decentralized blockchain in light of savvy contracts. Algo was sent off in 2019 following its mainnet send-off. Like Ethereum, Algorand claims its local Algorand virtual machine, AVM. Algo savvy contracts empower clients to create different dApps on the blockchain. Algorand works in light of the unadulterated verification of stake, POS, agreement system joined with Byzantine Arrangement Convention. POS was acquainted with the blockchain space by Algorand's pioneer Silvio Micheli. The blockchain follows algorithmic haphazardness to choose its validators and verifiers and in this way supporting its name Algorand. Clients get to take part in the administration of the blockchain either simply by holding Algo or marking it. Algo holders get almost 7.5% APY as automated revenue on holding these tokens. It works with quick, proficient, and practical exchanges at lower costs. Algorand helps to determine the blockchain trilemma, decentralization, security, and versatility. Algorand, ALGO, value expectation 2022. The above diagram of Algorand, ALGO, spread out a falling wedge design. In a falling wedge design, both the upper pattern line which interfaces the highs and the lower pattern line which associates the lows meet downwards. The wedge design overall shows a pattern inversion. Particularly, the falling wedge flags a bullish inversion. This example shows a breakout in the cost pattern towards a rise. From the above graph, we can decipher that the force of the downtrend is dialing back. Presently, Algorand, ALGO, is in the scope of $0.3098. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of Algo could arrive at the opposition levels of $0.9855 and $2.5450. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of Algo might tumble to $0.4300 and $0.2755. The graphs show that Algorand, ALGO, has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming that this pattern proceeds, Algo could run alongside the bulls surpassing its opposition level at $1.4060. In like manner, in the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Algorand, ALGO, could fall to nearly $0.2724, a negative sign. From the above graph, we can decipher that the cost activities Algo is not at all like BTC and ETH. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC and ETH builds, the cost of Algo diminishes. Also, when the cost of BTC and ETH diminishes, the cost of Algo increments. Algorand, ALGO, value expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Algorand, ALGO, could presumably achieve $5 by 2023. Algorand, ALGO, value forecast 2024. With a few updates in the organization, Algorand, ALGO, could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Algo could energize to hit $7 by 2024. Algorand, ALGO, Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Algorand, ALGO, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Algo would revitalize to hit $9. Algorand, ALGO, Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that Algorand, ALGO, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Algo would mobilize to hit $11. Algorand, ALGO, Value Forecast 2027. On the off chance that Algorand, ALGO, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Algo would energize to hit $13. Algorand, ALGO, Value Forecast 2028. In the event that Algorand, ALGO, holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unstable crypto market. By driving huge cost rallies, Algo would hit $15 in 2028. Algorand, ALGO, Value Expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Algorand, ALGO, it would observe significant spikes. Algo could hit $17 by 2029. Algorand, ALGO, Value Forecast 2030. With more noteworthy headways in the Algorand environment, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Algo for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Consequently, Algorand, ALGO, could hit $19 by 2030. And, with persistent enhancements in the Algorand organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Algo. Thus, the bullish value forecast of Algorand, ALGO, in 2022 is $1.4060. Then again, the negative value expectation of Algorand, ALGO, cost forecast for 2022 is $0.2724. Besides, with the progressions and moves up to the Algorand biological system, the exhibition of Algo would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high, ADH, of $3.56 very soon. However, it could likewise reach $3 in the